Haha. Hey, I'm Madonna again, and this is Joy, and I'm about to do the foot manipulation. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a close-up so you're not going to see me again. So here we are here with Joy's little tootsies, and I'm going to do the foot manipulation protocol. So basically, because there's been some cramps and we've been increasing her magnesium levels, and she hasn't been taking enough. So Joy's always been a big cramper without magnesium. So one of the things that you need to do when you want to put the feet in or get the feet back into place is make sure that all of the bones in the feet are in the correct position. So this is a combination of a foot manipulation protocol as well as Bowen technique. So yeah, it's that sort of thing. So sorry, I'll turn the music down. Okay, so firstly, right foot first. So pull on the leg and give it a flick. So the idea is to get the calcaneus in. Sometimes you actually hear quite a big pop in there. Then we're going to go into the belly of the foot. Doesn't matter. Breathe in and out. And next thing we're going to do the cuboid bones across here. So these can be a little bit tender. Breathe in and out. And breathe in and out, and breathe in and out. Bit sore? No. And then I sort of give it a wiggle left and right, so I'm sort of loosening all those bones through here, left and right sides. And I'm doing it quite firmly. This is not something that can be done lightly, because we're of course on our feet all day, every day. So next thing, it's a bit of a wiggle and a twist with all of the toes, and you can hear the groans from the other end of the table. Now I'm just doing some core lymph points, so just at the top of the feet, these are all core lymph points. So when they're tender, which is a good old reflexology technique as well as being part of Touch for Health kinesiology, when they are tender, it tends to be a sign that the lymph is congested. So things that help lymph are things like lots of vitamin C. Poor little tootsies, poor little tootsies. So then I'm going to, with each of the toes, so it's like a pull and bend, pull and bend. Hear the little crack? Pull and bend, pull and bend, pull and bend.
Who did the photo of the picture painting of the scream?
So she's thinking she must look like the Scream at the moment. So that's funny. So that's one foot done. I always tell people only takes about 2 minutes. There's many, many sore spots, but I only do each mean spot once. So, which is sort of true until the next time. So with this one, so now we're doing the right foot. So give it a wiggle. So then pulling on the leg and giving it a little flick. Pulling on the leg, giving it a flick. Then we're going into the navicular in here. Breathe in and out. And that's a very decent push. Breathe in and out. These are the cuboid bones. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. So the cuboids, they can be subluxed, so basically the bones, just relax, relax, just tap the foot when the body's starting to jam and cramp. Do, 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 do. Nice little tootsie, nice little tootsie. And then we're going to twist and pull on the toes. Twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull. And then the last thing is resetting the little toe bones. So it's pull, stretch, bend, pull, stretch, bend, pull, stretch, bend, pull, stretch, bend, pull, stretch, bend. So that is the little foot manipulation process. The little lymph spots at the top of the feet on both sides are very, very tender. And because there was so much pain, that just tells me there's a lot of inflammation in the feet. So, of course, it means that magnesium, activated turmerics, lots of things like that can sort of help with the pain. Okay, that's Joy's feet.